outside in New York City on a nice, beautiful spring day. Beautiful spring day in a New York City. Outside Saturday. Beautiful, 70 something degrees. I'm enjoying it. Heading to get some stuff, some grocery for the Easter, and check out the fish prices. Stay tuned. The day started out beautifully. I was really enjoying this Easter Saturday morning. Blue skies, the birds are singing. There was even a jet plane in the air. But my main aim is to head out and check out these fish prices. I have two markets in mind. So let's go. Salmon head, $2.99. The porgy at $2.99 a pound. Porgy at $2.99 a pound. We're gonna check out the other place. Same thing as $2.99 a pound. I got the other fish shop though. And in here busy. Yeah. Jackfish, $4.99. Bass, this is so pretty. $6.99. The catfish price are the cheapest. But the catfish them ugly enough. So I got a other spot here, man. In here stay busy, but this other spot just kind of do them do kind of.
Oh, I gotta get one of those.
Yeah.
There's the group pork?
Huh? No, it's like a half brand.
Oh, alright.
It's an action cam but not GoPro. Yeah. So we're gonna check out the other spot and see where I go on. Them just set up back again. So I them really buy from the last time. Them price not so bad. So them name the Legend of Kingfish. You can see where I go on in there. Crowded too. Wow. Easter weekend, yo. That's to be expected. Ooh, them pretty. Deviant shrimp. Crowded in here too. I them I buy from the last time. Let's see, compare prices. What's this guy? Back up there. Alright, I'm good. Alright. See the price then there. Squid, skate wing, sprat. Sprat at $4.99 a pound, you know. Low, whoa. $4.99 a pound for sprat. You're so busy, I can't even squeeze in to see the price of the bargain. Look over here, sir. See it there? Butterfly pretty. We could check out the Dr. Fish. Grunt at $7. Doctor $6.99. Grunt. Goldfish $5.99. You know the price are gonna go up because of Easter weekend. parrot at $8.99 a pound. I look further down.
55.
See a snapper. Silk red snapper. Wow. People with up on the avenue, with up on Jamaica Avenue. Check out the fish price them. I'm going to get something still in about. I'm sure no one go on the weekend, the Easter weekend. Saturday before Easter. Right? Yeah. Probably the same price, but for them all look bigger than the one over there. So yeah, 6 and 1/2 dozen of the other. Yeah. So, should I get the spot or pargy? So them have large and medium pargy. $2.99 each, but you know you get the big one, it'll go way more, yeah? So I'm gonna mix it up and check them back on the down. In a too crowded for stop on and record. Them have silver pargy too. Look on there. Never hear about silver pargy. See them there? Same $2.99, larger $2.99, medium at $2.99. See me? So I'm gonna just grab something and bounce. So I'm gonna stay tuned. Alright. See what we have.
52, but they are 57.
No, that's on great price. No.
Busy too, yo. Man, busy.
Vale de sufrir. Allá.
Señora, por Dios, por el amor de Dios, te voy a mostrar.
Recording your skills.
No good, señora.
That's skills right there. Mucho bueno.
No good.
Mucho bueno. Yeah. Beautiful. What kind of fish is that? Tuna. Wow, that's what it looks like whole. That's amazing. That's cool. That's knife skills right there. That knife is well sharp. Then my pepper shrimp patty. Right? I don't know about that still. I'm gonna try it one day still. So me ahead go get my meat and all this stuff. So there's a Korean fruit stand next to the fish shop. So I said let me check out the price of buns and all that. And here's what we have. $11.99, $15.99. I mean the prices weren't crazy. It's kinda like what I would expect. So here they are. You got fresh daily, golden cross. I got that one for $11.99. I didn't get it from this store though. Like, I'm just comparing prices and I knew I liked the price of that one, the Golden Cross. I had yet to compare prices at the shop that I'm heading to. This lady was telling me I can't record. So I just went and got mine from the meat shop. Seemed like it got breezier than when I left out earlier. Nice temperature, but boy, The breeze picking up. So they have 2 pound bag of onion for 99 cents. You know me can't pass that up. Let's get one on a split. Have small and large knife. This look nice. But on a budget, shopping on a budget, people, as usual. You see me? Maybe should I get this one or the one with the big ones? 3. Woo! Look at the breeze, man. Breeze a pick up. I'm never wearing a jacket or coat. 2, 4, 6. Wow. Wow. 2, 4, 6. I want 7. Cut them smaller. 6 I want after that other door. I go with the smaller pack. This store still busy, so I'm not gonna even film as I would want to. So let's go in.
Whoa, this one is $22? Why you didn't tell me that? I said I'd rather be in the front with her with that. I won't be in the front.
Okay, so this one is $9. Inside this store is very small, so you have to limit it. Alright, so the map this is $8.99, $9, right? That's the Golden Cross. And the map the Fresh Daily.
I don't even want to be involved with
for $10. Yeah. And of course they have these. These are way cheaper than the Chinese store on the bend. They had these for $3. Here they have it for $2. We have a whole lamp on this still. And see, it's $8.99, $9. So maybe just hold lamp on that. And see how the packet go. I don't buy tasty cheese, you know. I just stick to my regular American extra sharp cheddar cracker barrel and all that. Because to me, it don't taste like how it used to taste growing up as a kid. People may have to go in the freezer section because I have a list of things to get. So we just go in and shop because in the freezer cold. Here it's cold, of course, we're in the freezer. I don't know that garlic is cold in the freezer. I'm going to cat out Alright, people, just stay tuned. In the freezer, I have to just shop and come out here. Pork shoulder them nice, see? But I have cut up pork in the house already. Look at this. $6. So pretty. $6.61, $6.71. So pretty. Really want some goat and cow foot though. I don't really want the pork, but I gotta see if we can squeeze it. Them square ribs, nice and fresh. Look, the ribs. The price is reasonable. You're in at the butcher. This one I eat in a year. Short ribs. See the price? $30, $25. And this a manager special and for $25.89. So yeah. And people need to move already. In a cold. Alright. But we go around here so in the meantime. Can't look like them stuck this so. Wow. But them in the way around this. So I try get to me can get one of the so I stay tuned. That's fresh big steel, right? When you want a piece of tripe too. Or them chocha or them green. These are the regular chocho. Them are well green, right? Call them black chocho, black chayote. But I'm definitely gonna get green banana. Hold on, in a small. Anyway, me catch me in the way. Let me see me can push my car right here so and get some green banana. And I also got all the meats that were on my list. As you can see, the freezer is packed. Oxtail, cow foot, shrimp. I got goat, fish. I picked up a pack of see, things are falling out the freezer, man. Some type of I think this is what, beef shank. I think it says beef shin. And you see I keep the label inside the package because when I go in I want something, I can't tell what it is. So yeah, the freezer is full to the brim. Coconut cream, everything full to the brim. So guys, stay tuned. Cooking videos are coming. Stay tuned and thanks for watching. See you next time.